एक बात मानना पड़ेगा, ये कालची है, ठीक है, ये तो होना पड़ेगा ना, यही कर सकते हैं, मतलब वो कोई कर नहीं सकता, एक बात मानना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मैं देख चुकी हूँ लाइफ में सब कुछ। मैंने बोला कि भाई आप कुछ भी करो, देखो मेरे जैसा इंसान कोई आएगा तो मुझे खिला देगा, तो मैं बिजनेस में प्रमोट कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता कि आर्ट को बिजनेस में एक्चुअली बिजनेस करने के लिए अलग दिमाग होना चाहिए। देखो मेरा भी एक बात मानना है कि कोई गलत नहीं, सब अलग है, सबका एक अलग स्किल ऑफ सेट है, सबका एक अलग स्किल ऑफ वो चीजें हैं। तो जैसे मैं यहाँ पे जब मैं शाम दिन में फिल्म करने वाला था, वो भी 3 साल लगाया हमने, इंडिया के लिए फर्स्ट इंडिविजुअल ओलंपिक मेडल जीता था। तो मेरे के यहाँ से मैं हाजिर ज्यादा 3 सालों से बहुत सीखा, अनाउंसमेंट आया, काफी चीजें हुई, तो फिर देखा कि इस आदमी का उसकी सेटल होना है, व्हाट्सएप का सब का अलग है, प्रकाश अलग है, तो गलत कोई नहीं, सब सबके अपने अपने थॉट प्रोसेस है। फिर एक चीज देखा कि भाई काम करो, लो लेवल पर नहीं होना चाहिए, जैसे मैं नेगेटिव रोल नहीं करता, कोई ऐसे नहीं होता जैसे ना कोई मतलब कोई वैसी चीज करता, तो पता नहीं ये ठीक है ना मेरे हिसाब से बात, जो नहीं तो फिर अपने इन्वेस्ट नहीं बन पाओगे, बाहर के ब्रांड में गेम क्यों तो फिर लेंगे नहीं। और सरकार की मतलब यानी पार्टी के साथ नहीं, पॉलिसी का चेहरा, जैसे बात की थी इस बार, मैं पार्टी के साथ नहीं, मैं किसी कांग्रेस बीजेपी के लिए मैं तो देश के लिए अच्छा से तो भैया और कुछ खिला दें तो नहीं बिल्कुल निकलेंगे आप, क्योंकि अरे भाई दो आप प्लीज, क्योंकि ना हमें भी लेडी पहुंचना है, पता है खाली जब ठीक है आप कहाँ बाहर खाओ तो खाना है, अरे ठीक है, वो मेन ये होता है कि आगे जहाँ पहुंचना टाइम पे पहुंच जाए, तो होटल में खाना है, हम आधा ले लेंगे इसमें से, ठीक है, हाँ बिल्कुल हम इसमें से लेते हैं, ये सारी दिमाग में है कि भागना है, स्टार्ट करता हूँ 11:30 फिर नहा के 12 बजे से। अच्छा नहीं निकलेंगे हम, क्योंकि ना एक्चुअली क्या है कि मतलब आई डोंट लाइक कि मैं लेट पहुंचूं, वो थोड़ा सा सामने वाले को क्या है फूड मैं खुद ही करती हूँ, मैं यहाँ भी 10 मिनट भी मैं पैकिंग मैं खुद मॉनिटर करती हूँ, 10 मिनट पहले पहुंच गया था, तो आई मतलब मेरा ये रहता है कि आई शुड बी ऑन टाइम और बिफोर टाइम। बट आज सुबह इतना chaos था, एक ही टाइम पे ये आए, एक ही टाइम पे वन स्लीपर, अनदर वन, ठीक है, अच्छी बात, सो देयर वाज 2 ग्लास भी टूट गए, अच्छी बात है, आज इतना अच्छा होता है, हां इट वाज लाइक टूटने तक नहीं आएंगे, नहीं कैसे आएंगे, ठीक है सही, हां पता क्या होता है कि जैसे मैं होटल में रुकता हूँ, कि मेरे रुकता हूँ खाना सीख बॉम्बे का खाना अच्छा नहीं, चटनी के लिए आधा ले लो ना, दिल्ली में जब रहते हो ना उसके बाद आपको बॉम्बे का खाना घर का बनाते हो अलग चीज है, हम वैसे तो मुझे बाहर खाना पड़ता है, तो बहुत ही
Yeah, there should be for those people who are first time vendors who are trying to tie up with Razorpay. So then we should be given a more detailed information as to why certain options are given, so that we are able to select the best option as per our business. So right now, whatever I thought worked for my business, I selected, but I may have made a wrong decision. That I'll come to know once the Razorpay gets activated on my website.
Okay, understood.
Yeah?
Understood. Yes.
So that is why.
I'll take,
That is why I gave a 6 because your website was fast, it was moving fast, everything was logging in fast. But because I was the first vendor, I got no help in terms of selecting certain things. Yeah.
Okay, so there should be more, detailed explanation in order to select the category, right?
Yeah, because if we are my business is a food business. So in food business, my cancellation, my regulations I have to have in one day itself. I cannot wait for orders to get cancelled after 2 days because I will be spending money on raw material. I will be spending money on preparation. So if it gets cancelled and I have to give a refund, then it is loss for me. So I have selected according to my business what made sense to me. But once I start using, I will come to know whether it's working or not, because the shipping thing also, it was 1 to 7 days all over India. But 1 to 7 days, sometimes, it might be less days, but food cannot be more than that. No, food has to happen in 1 to 7 days in shipping also. It has to happen in 1 day, 2 day, like those vacuum packed food. So that is why I was confused, because your shipping details as per the vendor business should have little bit clarification.
Okay, understood. Definitely I'll take this as a feedback.
Okay.
Apart from this, how was the sign up process?
The sign up process was perfect. Yeah, everything, your website was fine. That was good.
Okay. Thank you so much for your feedback. Is there anything else apart from this?
No, madam. Thank you so much. Thank you for calling. Thank you.
Thank you for your valuable feedback and time. Thank you for choosing Razorpay. Have a great evening.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Hi. I think मच्छर ने काट लिया. Oh God, bye, yeah. Achha, what I'm saying is that my website is happening. Yeah, baby, it's happening. अच्छा, वेबसाइट के ऊपर जो पेमेंट का लिंक है ना, वो Razorpay का लिंक है. तो Razorpay की वेबसाइट के ऊपर मैं गई and I was trying to do the R&D to sign up Healthy Hustle for Razorpay. तो अभी the call came ना, so everything I don't record because enough, tiring. तो but one thing was my query, क्योंकि मेरा फूड बिजनेस था, तो रिफंड, कैंसिलेशन, एवरीथिंग शुड हैपन इन 1 day because I cannot do a refund after a day because food preparation goes, raw material का buying हो जाता है and storage happens of lot of things. So refund request or cancellation request has to happen within a day, within few hours, but they have not given few hours also. They have just given 1 to 2 days. So I was a little confused because if there's a bulk order of like say 100 plates aloo paratha, and my cook has come and it's supposed to be delivered in the evening, and my cook has come in the morning, so evening is supposed to be delivered. So in the morning I will get it made, because to make aloo paratha 100 I cannot wait कि 1 घंटे पहले बनाऊंगी. I will have to start making it because I will have to start packing it. I will have to start putting it into boxes. Delivery also has to happen. So cooking happens like in 3-4 hours prior to when it has to be packed and sent. So cancellation can't happen after a day, but they had an option cancellation same day, refund request same day, and I was like confused. Usse less kuch nahi tha, few hours nahi tha. Cancellation can happen in 2 hours, cancellation can happen in 3 hours bracket, that's it. Because it's food, it is not makeup, it is not cosmetics, and it is food, so it gets loss. It is loss if food gets cancelled because the vendor has changed his mind, if the client has changed its mind. So I could not get those options on Razorpay, so I chose whatever I could. Because किसी ने क्या किया, सब कुछ आपको एडवांस पेमेंट दे दिया, बल्क ऑर्डर दे दिया, आपने एडवांस पेमेंट के ऊपर रॉ मटेरियल्स लिया है. अब कुछ क्लॉज होना चाहिए कि अगर आप कैंसिल कर रहे हो तो आपकी जो एडवांस पेमेंट है दैट विल बी फॉरफिटेड as that money has been used to buy raw materials, as that money has been used to buy raw materials or preparation of certain things. क्योंकि अगर आपको पनीर की सब्जी बनानी है, आपको कोई दूसरी ग्रेवी वाली सब्जी बनानी है, तो maybe you will start buying tomato and making the red gravy and keeping it, and probably just before delivery that red gravy will be used to put the paneer inside, to put aloo inside or whatever. So food preparation के बहुत stages होते हैं, तो उसमें जो cancellation refund request था, that did not have a hour window का category, and I was like not happy with that. Yeah, but I had to make the best decision. So that call was a feedback का, rating का feedback कि आपने ये rating क्यों दी. मेरे को भी लोग ऐसी फनी रेटिंग्स दे देते हैं जिन्होंने मेरे यहाँ खाना भी नहीं खाया ना ऑर्डर किया है, बट वो देते हैं रेटिंग, आई थिंक बिकॉज दे जस्ट लव मी. बट रेटिंग क्यों दी वो भी कॉल रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए सो दैट नोबडी कैन गिव फेक रेटिंग. Why did this particular client or customer give this rating? That customer or client should be asked a question so that they cannot go and give fake ratings to people and spoil their business just because they are jobless and frustrated and have nothing else to do and they are full of negativity. Okay, got to go. मेरी website तैयार होने वाली है. Oh my god! The way I just saw some post of Swara Bhaskar. You know Swara Bhaskar, no? Apparently she's got married and I was happy for her that she got married, and she got married under the Special Marriage Act. She did not change her religion and she did not become a Muslim. It was nice to see that side of her, and I was like happy that she maintained her, stand for that. Because a lot of people in my building, they are Hindu girls who have got married to Muslim men and they have got converted into that religion because apparently their husband thought that their children cannot be worshipping so many gods. They have to worship only one god, and the woman was madly in love with the husband, so she got converted and became a Muslim. So that's the fault of the Hindu girls. So can't help it. Anyways, why can't your child worship all the gods? Shah Rukh Khan's children worship Ganpati Ji and Shah Rukh Khan's children worship Allah also. So why can't that Muslim man be like Shah Rukh Khan? वैसे तो आप Shah Rukh Khan बहुत करेंगे, वैसे तो आपको Shah Rukh Khan के साथ film direct करनी है because apparently he's a filmmaker. He would love to direct a film for Shah Rukh Khan, है ना? But you are not inspired by what Shah Rukh Khan has done. Shah Rukh Khan worships Ganpati Ji and Shah Rukh Khan is a Muslim. But you, as a practicing Muslim, made your wife, Hindu wife, get converted into taking up your religion. So anyways, forget that. So Swara was like, she's like justifying goat slaughter. See, it's perfectly okay. You can justify a goat slaughter, but why are you targeting the vegetarians? The vegetarians are vegetarians. They are not into animal cruelty, and that's their way of life. So why are you targeting them? I eat anda, but vegetarians don't eat anda. So that's their way of life. Appreciate their way of life, and it's their way of being healthy, so that's their zone. Why are you targeting them? They are not into animal cruelty. They are not even having eggs. So unke liye goat slaughter is too much bloodshed, and they are saying that they are not even supporting the Hindus who get into slaughter for certain festivals of Hindus or certain thought process or rituals of Hindus. So they are not like supporting the slaughter process of Hindu practices. But why are you targeting pure vegetarians? What's wrong with you, Swara? I understand you got married. I understand you got pregnant by choice and you have a lovely baby, and I wish you all the best. But just because you're not getting work, this is what you do so that you come into limelight, so the right wing trends you on Twitter and you're back in news, and then you can play your victim card. You can say that you're a controversial actor, so you're not getting work. Excuse me, that comedian in my show, he made fun of Bhagwan Ram and he's been licked by all the film fraternity and the TV fraternity and the music video fraternity. So why are you not getting work? Apparently you are also as controversial as him. So don't play the victim card. Probably nobody wants to cast you because probably that's the way it is. And work out, get some good hormones released, concentrate on good things in life rather than just complaining. You've got a lot of work compared to the talent that you are. You have got a lot of work, so be grateful to God and stop complaining, woman. And yes, you can take your child to watch cows. No, you can take a child to watch goat slaughter. Maybe the child finds that entertaining, but that's the thing. You would find a goat slaughter entertaining because it's happening in India and you want to target the pure vegetarians. But in Palestine, bloodshed happens of human beings and you are now not happy with that. Bloodshed is bloodshed, whether it happens of human beings or whether it happens of animals. So kindly get your radar sorted. I think you need to do yoga. Start yoga. It'll be good for you. Yeah, it's a sisterly advice. Dear sister, have fun.